So, to win the Tactacam Solo Xtreme, brand new, never been opened, and the mount, again, brand new, never been opened. I will ship these to you for free. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to like, subscribe, like this video, subscribe to the channel, like all the videos and stuff you see. Go to the Instagram page, Triple R Woods on Instagram. There's going to be a post about the Tactacam giveaway. Like that video or like that post. And then when we get to 3,000 followers, we're almost to 2,500 right now, so 500 more followers. Could be a week, could be a month, could be a year, could be 2 years. I don't know. But when we hit 3,000 followers, I will pick a winner off of that Instagram post. All you need to do is like it, and at the underneath there, type done. Just to let me know that you've liked and subscribed to the channel. Again, we hit 3,000 followers. I will pick someone underneath there that has said done, that typed done underneath there, and has liked the Instagram page and liked the post. And I will pick one randomly and I'll message you. Obviously, if somebody messages you saying they need money or want contact information, that, phone numbers and stuff, ignore them. It's a scam. All I will do is message you and say, hey, congrats, you're the winner. What's your mailing address? And I'll mail it out to you. I will never ask for anything else. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel. Get it to 3,000. We're at about 2,500. Go to Instagram, subscribe, like, follow, whatever all the words are on Instagram. And then type done at the bottom of that post about the giveaway. And I'll pick one of those winners when we hit 3,000. Thanks.